So.
Okay, here we are with Chadd Beverlin. He's going to tell us about the virgin timber that he discovers and uses to make his art.
Well, sometimes around Ohio, Pennsylvania, you have a lot of barns and structures built from the 1700s up to the early 1900s, and a lot of the virgin forests were gone by the time the 1800s hit. So if you were wanting to see some virgin hardwoods, unfortunately you're probably not going to be able to walk out into most forests and see it. Where you're going to find it is in these older structures, barns, cabins, maybe a few buildings up around New England area, but otherwise that's about your only way of finding it. And so when we can't take it and relocate the barn or the structure, we choose to build furniture from it. Sometimes it might be a staircase, sometimes it could be a chair and a set of tables, but either way it keeps something that really you can't find in this country anymore still alive. It's not wasted.
Once again, we're talking about virgin timber. What is virgin timber?
Virgin timber is going to be wood that you found in the original American forests, for lack of a better term, American forests, the native forests. They could be pine trees, a lot of chestnut. You don't find that much anymore. That's been clear cut for, quite a while.
And disease.
Yeah, and the disease didn't, it doesn't grow now either because of that, or usually not far past a sapling.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna pertain to the forest that existed prior to industrial logging in the United States. By the time industrial logging had happened in the United States, 1800s, things like that, they were already on second generation forests, which blows my mind, So the stuff that we get now, if I was to say build a home for you now, is actually, most of that lumber is not even from the United States. It comes from Sweden and Canada. Because our forests, we just can't produce enough. There's no way, because of hundreds of years of clear cutting them. So we try to just, save what we can in any way we can. Sometimes it may be a little scrap you have left for a cutting board. Sometimes it might work out to rebuild the entire barn. Unfortunately, it doesn't always pan out that way.